Look, I know that I ruined my hair in my last video, but it also is kind of a vibe. Don't you think? I don't know. I'm kind of like loving what's going on for some weird reason. Even though it's like dead beyond repair and it has about 7 different colors in it. Looks kind of vibey. But of course I'm still gonna dye my hair because it's also not that much of a vibe. I feel like I can definitely improve what I've got right now. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to see if I can actually create something nice with what I have right now, because this is a very... I think this is a very tricky base. And I do not know if it's like gonna work out. Because it has so many different colors. It has so many different colors. And it's so dead. Like, I think the dye is not even gonna stick to this hair. Because it's just so porous right now. But, you know, we're gonna try. Let's see if I can fix this mess that I've created. Once again. I never learn. I've been doing so much with my hair lately that my shirt is literally not even dry yet from putting it in the washer. Like, normally it has enough time to dry, but now I'm just doing everything like back to back. So I'm wearing a wet t-shirt right now. Yeah, feels very nice. The color I'm going to go for today is... yeah, orange. And one very scary color, and that is black. Can you believe that I did this much effort to get the hair dye out of my hair and I'm just gonna put black hair dye in it? So yeah, I was like looking for some hair inspiration on Pinterest and I saw this picture and I absolutely love how that looks. So I'm going to try and like recreate it or do something similar. I'm only going to put the black in like the ends of my hair, and honestly, like, I'm in desperate need for a haircut. So I feel like it should be fine, right? I can just dye my ends black now, and then once I'm like done with the hair, I can just cut it off. I'm not gonna cut my hair just yet though, because I still wanna like enjoy having long hair for now. Crazy. Okay, let's just see what these colors actually look like, because the bottle a lot of times is like lying to you. What color is this? Paprika. It's pretty. It's kind of more like a natural ginger. And then we got orange blaze, which I'm pretty sure is gonna be bright orange. So the ooh. Yeah, that's very bright orange. What the hell? That's like almost neon. I'm not really sure what I think of that. Also, like, obviously I still have blue in my hair, and the blue is gonna like tone the orange down a little bit too. Like, it's not gonna be this color. So, I don't know. Let me just mix something up. Let me just see if I can create a beautiful color. Whee! Oh my god, this looks so weird. What? I don't know if you can see, but it's almost like see-through. Can you see that? It's like see-through. It's like jelly. Okay, anyways, let me add some paprika to the mixture. That's a pretty color. Right? But I have to make sure that I have enough, because this is only like 1/3 of the mixing bowl, and I have a lot of hair nowadays, so I probably need to have like a full mixing bowl of hair dye. Let me just empty out the entire bottle. What is that? I got half a bowl right now. I hope it's enough. I'm not sure, but I don't really have more hair dye than this. I feel like this is the most that I can get out of it. Should I be smart and do like a tiny test strand? Let's get this little piece over here and let's do a test strand and see if I like the color. Because I need to be smart this time, okay? I need to make up for my past mistakes. Get some hair dye. Wait, I think this is actually like a very nice color. Oh, you see it? I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. So let me just brush my hair first, because it's so tangled. Oh my god. Now that I like bleached it again, my hair tangles so much more, because it's just so dead. It's very annoying. I mean, it's also like my own stupid fault, but it's also very annoying. So let me brush it through. And we can start with the application. Also, I'm just going to dye like everything orange first. And then after that I'm going to see like what parts I'm going to dye black. Because I'm not really sure yet. So let's just start with the orange and then we'll go from there. Okay. Exciting! Also, yeah, I'm like literally filming a TikTok at the same time. So if I make any weird faces, it's because of that. Okay, here we go. Wait, this is such a pretty color. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh, and you can already... Oh no, the color difference is insane. No! Between the blonde parts and the blue parts. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Nothing we can really do about it anymore, so let's just accept it for what it is. I don't really know what to do if I don't have enough hair dye though. Because I cannot make more. And it's literally like 10 at night. So I don't have the option to go to the store right now. I wonder if I should have actually made it a little bit brighter. Because it looks very dark right now. So I hope that... Oh no. I hope the black is still gonna look cool, you know? Ah, we'll see. We'll see. Huh? We'll figure it out. Wait. We can kind of see what the end result is gonna be like. If I do my hair like this. Oh! That's cute. Little orange moment. I should have done this in fall now I think about it. Like around Halloween. That would have been better. Yeah, I switched to my hands. It's just because like this way I can like feel what I'm doing. I don't need my eyes. I got my hands. That looks crazy. It's very dark though. Shit! I actually made like exactly enough hair dye. Meant to be. I really love it. I really think it's very cute. It definitely looks more even right now. It's not as chaotic as what it was like 15 minutes ago. I feel like this would work. I'm just going to let this sit for like 20 minutes. I'm gonna rinse this out and then see what the color looks like when it's like all rinsed out. And then I'm going to see how I'm going to do the black. Let me just... I don't know what I was gonna say. I'll be right back. Hey! I encountered a little problem. And that is... I love this hair color so much that I kind of don't want to do the black bits anymore. Look, it's so pretty! Look at this color! And even though my hair is still like very dead, it looks so much healthier right now. Like I'm really tricking everybody right now into thinking that my hair is healthy. Look at it! It looks so good! What the hell? I have the black hair dye over here and I feel like I should just do it. But I'm kind of scared I'm going to mess this hair up because this is so pretty. What should I do? I do not know. I think I should... I think I should just try it because I really love the inspiration picture, and if it ends up looking like even slightly like that picture, I'm still gonna love it, you know? Like, I'm just gonna try to not overdo it. Yeah, let's just try. Okay, got the hair dye, a little bowl. Oh my god, this is so black. Ah! That's so black. Am I making a mistake? Am I doing something wrong? Should I not be doing this? Can anybody please help me? I'm just gonna try it, okay? We're just gonna see. So let me section like the top layer off. So I want to do that last. Also, yeah, my layers are kind of fucked. I mean, I feel like it's not really like that obvious right now. But like, remember when I followed the Brad Mondo butterfly haircut tutorial? Yeah, I realized that you should definitely not follow that tutorial. Because my haircut's so uneven. Like, the layers in the front are way longer than the layers in the back. It's okay, it's okay. It was a fun experiment. Okay, I'm just gonna wet my hair first. Because that way it's like easier for me to, you know, blend it in. I think. Dipping my fingers in the dye. Oh my god, this is so black. Can you even see it? Okay. First one is done. Wait, do I need to wrap this like in some plastic to protect the rest of my hair, or is it not even? It doesn't even stain. Crazy. Don't know why I'm using my nose to test it out, but okay. I feel like you can't even really see a difference because it's so little. But like I said, I'm just gonna be smart this time and do like baby steps. Beep, 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 beep. I can't really tell if this is gonna be cute or not. And I don't like that. I don't really like that at all. Normally I can kind of tell while I'm doing it, but this time I have no clue. Okay, so the first layer is done. Maybe I need to add some more, but I'm scared, okay? I'm a scared little baby. I'm scared of black hair dye. Top layer. Oops. Spooky, spooky skeletons and shivers down my spine. This looks very Halloween, don't you think? This is so Halloween. This is so Halloween. I feel like there's more black hair dye on my face and my hands than in my hair. But that's okay. Like I said, we're gonna take it easy. So I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for a little bit. Honestly, not that long. I feel like I think the processing time for this hair dye is literally like 15 minutes. So yeah. I'm gonna let this sit 15 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'm gonna see if I'm gonna add some more. I feel like I have to add more. But also I feel like that would be a mistake. You know? Because I don't think you can actually like see anything right now. I'm being so dramatic for nothing. For absolutely nothing. Because you can't even see it. Okay, okay. I'll be right back, guys. Hello! Oh my god, you guys. Look at my hair! It looks so cute! Look at it! Oh my god. Yeah, it is still dead. Okay, it still looks a bit crusty. That's just how it's gonna be, okay? We're just gonna ignore that. We're just gonna pretend like it looks healthy. I'm so happy that I added the black, because this definitely feels more like me. Like, I love the full orange too, but it was a little bit too normy for me. It was literally like bright orange, but still, it was too normal for me. This is definitely more my vibe, and I fucking love it. Look at it. Can you see that? I don't know. I did have to re-dye it because, I mean, it's probably because like I wet the hair beforehand, but the color didn't really take on that well. It was like very like faded. So I had to like dye it again. And I had to add a little bit more because I just didn't do enough. Like it was almost not visible at all. But after a few little tweaks, it looks like this. Again, it would have been like perfect for Halloween, but I didn't really think that through, to be honest. Well, anyways, this was today's video, everybody. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you like my new hair color. And I hope you're gonna be able to forgive all the mistakes I did last time. Now that you know that I was able to actually fix it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.